Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. A lot has changed in my schedule, so I haven't been able to make videos and post as much as I would like to, and do more content. But throughout my schedule, throughout my busy day, I am still gonna try to make videos for you guys, videos that's gonna help you in your journey to having a better life, better health, a better mindset, a better way of looking at life in a different perspective. Because instead of looking at life as it's so rough, it's so difficult, throughout all the situations and the circumstances that we go through each and every single day, we can still find a way to be positive. And one of the ways that I love to think positive is to take care of myself. Anything that's going to help me physically and mentally and spiritually, I'm all for it. But for today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing a skincare routine. I've been using these products for a couple of weeks, and I must say I love them. I enjoy them. My skin loves them. So I was a little skeptical when I first purchased the product, but I did see a lot of good reviews. But sometimes I was just thinking, sometimes they give good reviews because they know it's from a top-known celebrity or a top-known individual, someone who's popular. So I was like, but you know what, I heard good things about the exfoliator, and I was like, you know what, I do want to try it, so let me just go ahead and purchase the whole line and see how I like it. And I can definitely tell you guys, this has been my morning and evening routine. But let me just go ahead and get straight to the video, because a lot of y'all be leaving comments like, girl, get to the point. But no, because there's many times where you guys ask me questions and leave me questions in the comment box where I could explain to you guys. But since you guys want me to rush, then let me just go ahead and get straight to the video. So yeah, so this is my routine. This is my face as of now. So yep, this is my face as of now. I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Inkey list. Guys, I absolutely love this cleanser. They recommend that you dab your face with water. Even though you can stop right here if you want, but I usually don't. So I use this, clear my face, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Keys cleanser. You can gently massage this over your face and neck, rinse with warm water. So I like to do that. A little goes a long way with this. And of course I'm gonna dab my face with water. And again, I like to go in circular motions. Usually, majority of the time, I do this in the showers. I'll do everything that I'm showing you right now is done in the showers. And yeah, look. Yep. My skin. And the best part, my favorite part, is the exfoliator. This is my favorite part of washing my face. I just love it. I don't know, I just love white gray sand. It's just something about that sandy look, or white gray sand. I don't know, I just feel like I'm in heaven. It's just something about these grains. I just absolutely love them. And when I play with this, or when I use this, I just think of myself on a white sandy beach. It's just something about it. So I like to just put it on each hand. Ooh. And so with the face mask, it's prep skin with warm, moist towel, then apply a mask generously and evenly, allow to dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove using a warm, moist towel and rinse off any residue with warm water. And then you can use this at least 2 to 3 times out the week. So I do like to get my face a little wet. It's like everything is just so soft. Okay, so this is how it looks after, I don't know, 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. That's good. So this is my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and get a premium, one of the cotton rounds, and I like to use this as a toner. The Thayers Natural Remedy, the one with witch hazel and aloe. It's almost done. Literally, I'm almost done. I love this as a toner. I like to do this to see if I have like any, and yeah. This also lets me know if all the dirt, any residue left over, if it came out. So I love it. Oh. I also like to use an eye cream or an eye gel, either or. So the eye cream that I've been using lately is the L'Oreal Revitalift eye cream. So it's been this, the L'Oreal. And I also like to use the Eva Natural Youth Restoring Eye Gel. I bought this from Amazon. But I'll just alternate. If one day I use the cream, the next day I'll just use the eye gel. A little goes a long way. So once I'm done with that, I like to go with the Keys Cream Moisturizer. So it says gently massage until clean skin using circular motion. Apply to face and neck every morning and night. So you can tell I've been using it. It's almost done. To also go with like a serum. And then lastly, I like to just go with like a chapstick. So I've been using this for the past couple of weeks, and I can say I love the way how my skin feels, how plump and healthy it looks. My face does not produce as much oil as it used to, so that's one thing I'm super excited about, because literally I can just go throughout my day and my face would just look like a straight grease ball. But ever since I've been using these products for the past couple of weeks, it's getting close to a month, but the past couple of weeks I did see a difference in my skin, and I can say this line actually does work for like normal to oily skin, and my skin is on the sensitive side, and it didn't irritate my skin at all. So I love that as well. So if you guys are interested, you know, if you have the funds, I think I purchased this for like $67. But I was looking for something that can help my skin to glow, to reduce all the oil, and to have my skin looking healthy. I haven't had any breakouts even when my menstrual comes around. Usually I'll get like a bump here or a bump here, and I can definitely say that I have not seen that. So, and like I said, it's only been a couple of weeks I've been using this, so yeah, I give this a thumbs up. I love it. I am impressed with it, and I would highly recommend it. I do love it. So, and not because it's from Keys, okay, it's not because it's from Keys, because there's a lot of products that I can name that's from like high brand, and yeah, they're not sitting well with me, but it's all right. But these, I can say they work really well.